Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually add a co-host on your booking.com account. So for your kind information, let me explain when you actually get this option to add a co-host on your booking.com account. If you are on a business account or you have purchased a plan of business plan on booking.com and you are a business owner of a business account on booking.com, then you will be able to find this, or we will be able to add some another users as the co-host for you that can help you to grow your book your actually book your tickets or book your anything. If you want another one like your assistant or anyone, so the co-host will help you in these cases. Now you have to do is, I don't have any business account right now, you have to do is you have to register as a business account, or if you have a business account, then sign into your business account. Then at the top right corner you can find your account icon or the name, so you have to hover over that or you have to simply click on that. Then after clicking on that, you can find a drop down menu just like this, where you can find this option, create and manage users. Not everyone will get this option, only a business account owner will get this create and manage users. So you have to simply click on it, and from there you have to add the additional details about that users, which one you want to add, and the role. So from the role you have to choose them as a co-host for your account. Then you have to confirm it, and you have to complete all the additional details and additional steps with that prompted on your screen. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.